Welcome to our e-learning course. It is called Industrialization, Urbanization, and Immigration in the United States. This is our home page. Here are our course description and then our soon-to-be tutorial video. We have 7 course learning objectives, and here is our course at a glance. Our course at a glance shows you the topic for the week, the tasks and assessments for that week, and the points breakdown. Each of these links are clickable. These tasks will take you to the corresponding weekly modules, and the assessments will take you to a Google Slides preview to show you what you can expect for that week's assessments. Then we have our course resources button that will take you to the course resources section. In our course resources, each week is broken down by the tasks and assessments you can find in that weekly module, as well as some helpful readings that can support your learning. Each week is broken down the same. Let's go ahead and check on our week 1. Our week 1 has the topic at the top, the objectives for the week, and then it goes in order with your tasks, and then we end with our assessments. Everything should be completed in the order that you see it. So task 1, then task 2, and then completing the assessments at the end. The assessments are all in Google Slides. So this is what it will look like. Once you click on this link, it will ask you to be making a copy of that slide. So every student will have their own copy, and it even makes sure right here that make sure this is a copy before you proceed. And then you will see your first assessment. So the first assessment is here. You will write your answer on this line. The second assessment, you'll write your answer on these lines. And then for the third assessment, for this one, you have a little more of a project. So it says add the link to the podcast or video on the next slide. And so on the last slide, you will add your link. Then you will download this slide and you will email it to your instructor. That is how every assessment for each week will be. So it's a clump of assessments that can all be compiled together in a nice format and sent over to your instructor. Then we have our resources for the week, and then you have completed the work for that week. And make sure that you've turned in all of your work so it can be graded. And then you head off to the next module, which has the exact same layout. So each module has a varying amounts of tasks. So for this one, we have task 3, task 4, and then we have our assessments. Same thing, make a copy before you do the assessment. When you get to module 8, you will complete all of our assessments here. All of our tasks and assessments. Here we have some embedded videos, and we have a case study. All of these links are clickable, so everything that you see in yellow can be clicked on. And then at the very end, you have completed the course. So be sure to follow the modules in order, take all of the tasks in order, and don't forget to submit your assessment. I really hope that you enjoy our e-learning course and have a great semester.